Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I just finished getting ready. It's early in the morning. Let's see, what time is it? It is almost 11:30. It's 11:15. I'm getting ready to do some juicing really quick, and then after that I'm going to pick up Ryan because we're going to get some crawfish and all the fixings, probably some other seafood too. Yesterday was my son's birthday, so once we do all our little family festivities, he wants to come back here and cook some crawfish and seafood and all the different things. So we're gonna do that. I'll make sure to link this juicer in the description box below, so y'all make sure to check that because I always get so many questions about it. For my beet juice, I usually just do beets and pineapple juice. It's so good. But this time I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger because I need to use it up. So I just cut off like some little small pieces of ginger. This is what I'm wearing. Some little cotton shorts, and then this is like a Skims dupe. I think I got this top from Zara, I think. But I love wearing little outfits like this because it's just so comfortable, especially like when we're gonna just be out and about. Okay, y'all, so here is the crawfish. The guy that sells these, he's from Louisiana, so he cooks them for you. And they're like $30 a bag or something like that. So y'all know I'm not a big crawfish eater. I'll eat them, but I'm not a big crawfish eater at all. But Ryan said that they're really good. So we got 2 bags of these. And then I bought some crab legs, which I paid $200 for these crab legs. I could have just bought the box because he does sell them by the box. They're $3.25. I'm not too sure how many I got. Some of the legs broke off, but they're pretty big. Y'all know I have my MUKBANG channel. The place that I usually go to is Rose, and they have had, you know, big ones like this, but it's been a while, so I haven't had this size in a long time. So this is pretty big, so I got some of those. I need to do a mukbang tomorrow, but yeah, got a bag full of those. Oh y'all, really quick, I have to show you guys these spoons that I picked up from Amazon. I have gold spoons, but these are the serving spoons. Like, look at the shape, so cute. And then this is how they look at the bottom. So it comes in a set of 6, so I'll have the link in the description box. Now they have some of these at West Elm, but they have like the serving set, so you know it's like a spork. Is that the proper name? A spork, where it kind of looked like a fork and a spoon. They have one of those. It's like a split down the middle, and then the regular spoon at West Elm. I'll link those too if you guys are interested in those. But that is just 2 of those, and then this one, like I said, comes in a set of 6. I do like the ones from West Elm, but I really like these too. So cute. So check the Amazon link in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to fix myself some lunch from Hellofresh. So thank you so much, Hellofresh, for sponsoring this video. Hellofresh delivers step-by-step fresh recipes, pre-portioned ingredients right to your door. They offer so many delicious recipes, low-calorie options, carb smart, vegetarian, pescatarian, and I love the fact that all of this comes pre-portioned, so that's less prep and less wasted food. I've had this one before and it is delicious, so we're gonna go with this one. hellofresh.com and use code IAMSHERIKAB16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. All right, y'all, so it's later in the day. I had to change clothes because out there it gets really dirty. We're gonna be eating wings and stuff like that. So I just decided to change into some black, of course. This is what I'm wearing now. It's just some joggers, another Skims dupe, and then I'm wearing these tennis shoes. My husband bought me these shoes. They so cute. So I'm getting ready to head out. We're waiting on Tony's girlfriend. So as soon as she gets here, then we're gonna head out. Tony's already on his way because he had to go pick up the little cousins. So we have to take 2 different cars. So I'll see you guys at Topgolf. These children got me in here doing TikToks and all kind of crazy stuff. I ain't about that lifestyle, okay? So I just made a cocktail. It was really good. It's really good. Hey y'all, today is Sunday and I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. I just finished my makeup. I love the way it turned out. I'm trying some new lashes again, but I thought that they were really pretty. Some strips by Envy. It's the 3D wispies. I'll leave them in the description box. But I just wanted to come check in. I'm not really doing anything today. I'm getting ready to do this mukbang and then I'll probably just chill for the rest of the day. I'm trying to knock this out early. Oh girl, it is not early. It is 4. I did not know it was that late. It is 4:07. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out and then I'll be chilling for the rest of the day. I was hoping that I was gonna catch up on Married in Huntsville, but they had like a whole special about Tisha. I don't want to see that. I'm gonna find something to watch and just relax for the rest of the day. Relax in the studio and yeah, just chill out. So I just wanted to come in and say hey because I was thinking about y'all, period. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Today we have some giant snow crab legs. Look how big this is. This thing is as big as my head. She couldn't call the cops because her cell phone was in her car outside. Ooh. Good morning guys. Today is Monday. And I woke up just feeling like pampering myself, but I still have to go to the gym. So that's what I'm doing right now. I bought a new face roller. This one is so cute. You guys remember the smaller one that I used that I showed you guys here recently that I saw Hailey Bieber using? That one, it vibrates and I like that one, but it just tickles my face. So I decided to go with this one. It's easier for me to use these than the stone. I really like this one a lot. And when your skin is wet, it feels like it grips your skin almost. So it's really nice. I really like this one a lot. So this is how it looks. My camera going in and out, but this is how it looks. And I'll have the link to this in the description box below. And then I'm just wearing my Dior Eye Patches. I'll try to link these as well if they're available. But I love these. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym. It's really early in the morning. I'm going to the gym today. I'm going to work out for an hour. And then after I leave the gym, I have to go to Target because I need to get some new vitamins and I need to get a few cleaning products. I told you guys before that my multivitamin is a gummy and my probiotic is a gummy. Now I do want to switch up my multivitamin and get something other than a gummy, but my probiotic, I'm not changing that probiotic because if you guys have been following me for a while, this might be a little TMI, but I used to kind of suffer from constipation, and it took me, I would go to the doctor and they would tell me that I need to try a probiotic, but they said that I could use like an over-the-counter probiotic, and it seemed like nothing was working for me. And then I think it was mostly because I wasn't staying consistent, to be honest. But I finally just stuck with one, and it works really well, and I don't have that issue anymore. And it's been going great for me for, I'll say, probably like the last 2 or 3 years. So I'm not going to change that probiotic. That one works really, really well for me. I'll go get it so y'all can see it. This is the probiotic that I use, and I'm not changing it. I'm just not doing it. They do have like a maximum strength, but the maximum strength is a little too much, girl. I don't need that. I'm just going to stick with that one. That's going to be my little ride or die. Okay. So, yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm just going to go to the gym this morning after dropping my son off to school. And then I need to pick up a few cleaning supplies. See how it like grips your skin? Look at this. But yeah, I'm gonna I need to pick up a few cleaning supplies. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy that this works like this. I'm gonna see if y'all can tell the difference. Hold on. I'm doing my jawline right now. I want to see. Okay, look at this. This side, and then look at this side. Can y'all not tell the difference? Look at this. And look at this. That's crazy. I need to put some type of moisturizer on my face, because girl, it's dried up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my rolling. This girl that I watched earlier on YouTube, she did, I don't know her name, it was just on a YouTube short, and she said do 10 each way. So 10 on this side, 10 on this side, and then I have to watch her again on how she did the middle of her face and her forehead and stuff. But I know for the jawline, she said do 10 each way. I'm doing more than 10, child. And then I just have to watch the video again on how she did the rest of her face. So I did pick this up from Amazon. I love it. It doesn't vibrate or anything like the other one that I have, which I really like the vibration, but like I said, it just really tickles. If it was bigger, then it probably wouldn't tickle my face as much, but it feels really nice up under my eyes. But when I try to do it on the rest of the face, girl, it's just no. So I really, really like this one instead. So yeah, it's really nice. So I got the gold one, and just check the Amazon link in the description box and you'll find her there. Okay, so let's get the day started. So it is about 7:30 now. I have about 30 minutes to myself before I have to wake my son up. So I'm going to enjoy my 30 minutes, just do a little bit of journaling, and then I'm gonna wake my son up, take him to school, and get my day started. So I'll see you guys in a few.
back and crack this window.
Okay, so I'm back from the gym and I did stop by the store to pick up a few things. So we're gonna do a really quick grocery store haul. Vitamins, blush, non-dairy creamer, Starbucks coffee, strawberries, seedless cucumber, lemons, panini noodles, marinara sauce, Alfredo sauce, broccoli, sponge blender, mozzarella cheese, pizza crust, mint, glass cleaner, surface cleaner, Swiffer duster, and Clorox wipes. So that is everything that I picked up. I'm thinking about doing some chicken and broccoli pasta tonight for dinner. So I'm going to use this. I really like this. I still have to season it up, but I like this. And then later on this week, we're going to make some homemade pizzas. So this pizza crust right here is really good. The Pillsbury pizza crust. Erin put me onto this. It's really, really good. So y'all should try it. And I switched up my coffee this week. Instead of the Stoke, I just grabbed some Starbucks coffee. And then these are the new vitamins that I'm trying, because I told y'all before that my multivitamin that I usually take is a gummy, and I'm trying to get away from that. So I'm gonna try these and see if I like them or not. So I'll let you guys know. I needed a new blush. So this is by Black Radiance, and it is in the color Toasted Almond. So I think this will look pretty. So we'll try this whenever I do my makeup again.